This Photoshop mockup is to have you create a custom van. The technology to do this is actually very interesting. You provide the vendor with an AI file. That's usually preferable. They can accept a Photoshop file as well if it's been suitably set up in terms of resolution. And then the vendor will actually output on a very, very thin film the image from a large format printer. And the installers will then clean the vehicle off very well, wipe it down and treat it. And then it's a process where they put this very thin layer of printout on the surface of the vehicle. And then they will use a heat type gun, and it just basically just clings very quickly to the surface. I'll link to a video that you can see this actually being done. It's kind of interesting. So anyhow, you're making one virtually. You've got the document open, and as in all Photoshop mockups, you want to open up from Window, Layers, and Properties. The active layers that you're going to work with are in red. So let's click on this one, and oops, I'm hiding it. We just want to click on it. And then over here in Properties, go to Edit Contents. And if this happens when you've downloaded it from Canvas, don't be alarmed. Hit Relink and then go to that folder that you downloaded and go find that AI file that it's looking for. And you can see here when it's asking for a link, if you'll notice, it's telling you what the link name is. It's called vangraphicsideview.ai. So now click OK. So now we're not at the file that we want to edit yet. We're at the PSB, which is the linked file within Photoshop. If you wanted to do a design, you could create another layer here and do your thing. But we actually want to get to the AI file because that's what this file is asking for. So in this instance, this is the real estate that your design can go into. This is the entire area. To just show you how this works, I'm just going to change the color. Maybe I'll do something, I don't know, some random color here. And you have to always save your work. And then down in the dock, just click back to Photoshop and you'll see that it saved it. But in order for it to update your mockup van, you have to again save this file because all these files are linked, so that means they talk to each other. Now we close that out, and now we'll see that this van this has been updated to reflect that new color that I had asked for. Now, I also want to, let me move this over here and open this up a little bit more. I also want to point out that you do have a layer here to change the background color. This is an adjustment layer for a color. You can just basically click on that and do something with that. You could also add a layer above that, and you could find an image of an environment and try popping it in. So at any rate, this is the basic tutorial on how to use the van side view mockup.